Everybody gets high sometimes, you know.
What's up? It's your boy John Etiquette, and I'm rocking out with my people at VibeHub. Check us out at VibeHub.io. My first concert was in first grade. I got the spring solo, and I sang for like 500 people. So yeah, it's about six years old. What inspired me to start singing? It's always been something that's kind of been just right in here. I mean, I've always been kind of good at it. At least that's what my mom said. I don't know if she was just trying to protect me, but I used to sing to the radio and stuff, but it's always come natural to me. And then writing music has been a huge passion for me. I just love creating stories and then singing them out. So I have probably over 200 original songs right now, and I have 3 albums out. So my very first album was Definition of Etiquette. Then Decorum was my second album, and then my latest project was just an EP, and that's called Then and Now. So, but yeah, over 200 original songs. I would say the one that means the most to me, well, one of them, there's actually 2 that mean the most, but one is Berries and Champagne, which you will probably hear very shortly. It has to do with a relationship, my relationship that I'm in with my fiance now, and how we came to be from starting doing nothing with music to her supporting me and me promising her all the greater things in life. So that's one. The other is Dying Tonight. You know, a lot of people don't know, but I was in a nearly fatal motorcycle accident about 6 years ago. 15 surgeries, 13 1 month. I'm just Frankenstein. So that's a song that kind of takes me along the road of, where I was in life to where what I became after this accident and the blessings that I've seen in it. So, yeah, those are the ones right there.
Know you like berries in your champagne. That's why the whole fridge full of that rosé. I just wanna give you the world, just wanna give you the world. Feel like I owe you the world, my baby girl, my baby girl. Oh no.
Berries and Champagne. What I want for myself is to be an established singer-songwriter. I want to be in there for the long haul. I don't just want to be in really quick and then out. I want to take the time and perfect this craft. And I want to write music for the biggest names out there. That would be the biggest blessing in the world to me. But yeah, that's where I hope to see myself. And I just want to tell everyone out there, if you have a dream, you have a goal, stick to it, do it. Because I tell you what, I didn't see myself in this green room a month ago. I didn't see myself in LA a year ago. But here I am. So stick to what you do. I'd like to thank everyone for watching me here with my people at VibeHub. You can check me out at johnetiquette.com. JONETIQUETTE, just like the word, johnetiquette.com. My album is completely free. Other than that, you can find me everywhere else on the World Wide Web. So I love you guys. Once again, I'm John Etiquette. Peace.